guys, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. And yes, this is a new look. All 2023, I want to bring you guys new styles, new colors, like different little ideas to try out with your hair. And you guys, I really wanted to try this color on myself. I wanted to see how it looks, the whole little skunk stripe, and it has this really cute cut, and I just love this unit. It is so fun, very festive. I love the shorter length for the upcoming warm weather we're gonna get, and you guys, it's just so cute. I did decide to do a side part. Okay, you guys know I never do side parts, but today I decided to go with a side part because I wanted something a little bit different. Yeah, I decided to do a side part with this nice little cut, and I thought it'd be really cute. This unit is from WestKiss hair, and yeah, you guys, if you're interested in seeing how I installed it and styled it, definitely keep on watching. So let's get right into our install. I have some straight backs. I just have big braids, and I also have on my wig grip. Okay, my wig grip is gonna allow my wig not to slide back. I absolutely can't wear my wigs without my wig grip. It's just my holy grail. If you guys haven't tried a wig grip, definitely try one. You won't be disappointed. Okay, so today I'll be installing my unit from WestKiss hair. This is a different type of unit. I've never had a color like this. I'm really excited to try out this unit. So yeah, you guys, let's get right into installing it. Before I go in and put the unit on, I'm actually going to add some powder to underneath the lace, just so it could kind of like tint it a little bit, tint the knots. I didn't go in and tint the knots or anything like that, but this is what I'm going to do just to help the unit look more natural. And I'm just using my regular old face powder, the same face powder I put on my face. So just a little bit. You don't need too much. You don't want to have a makeup overload, so not too much. So today we're going to be doing a short look, and this is their skunk striped wig. Now this wig does come with a closure. This is a 5x5 closure, I believe, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop the unit on. The first thing I'm going to do is go in and just pluck it a little bit because it is a little bit full. And because this is a closure unit, it's going to be really easy to install and customize. So just go in and just start plucking. You don't really need to take too much out. Again, like I said, this is a closure unit, so you don't have to take out too much hair. I think that's enough taken out. So now we're just gonna go in and cut our lace. So we have effectively cut our lace, and now we're gonna go ahead and tack everything down. Now we're gonna use our EBN lace bond spray, and I got the yellow can this time because this was all they had in the beauty supply store. I'm not sure what's different about it. The other ones say active, so maybe those hold a little bit better. I think this is gonna work just fine for me because I don't really need a super heavy hold anyway. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just dry everything down so it's nice and melted into place. Okay, guys, so everything is nice and tacked down. I'm gonna go ahead and redo my part. So this is how I'm gonna have my part. Now I'm gonna take my wax stick and just put some of it on the hair, and then I'm gonna use my hot comb just to make everything nice and sleek. Okay, you guys, so I did go in and make everything nice and flat before I actually style. Now I'm gonna go in and add baby hairs. You guys know I like to sculpt my baby hairs and then cut them. Okay, they look pretty good. Now I'm gonna go in and cut them. Okay, you guys, so our baby hair is done. I'm just gonna put some more powder in the lace just so everything can, you know, blend and really look like it's coming out the scalp. I'm done installing it and everything's looking nice. Everything's looking nice, okay. I think I'm just gonna leave, like, it's still some curls left in it. I'm probably just gonna go back in and redo these curls. I'm gonna use my Babyliss Pro titanium nano, whatever they call it, styler, and I'm just gonna do like curls. Cute, I like it. So I'm gonna continue to curl this. It'll probably be sped up. And once I'm done, I'm gonna let you guys see how I style the finished look. Okay, you guys, so we have finished curling. What I'm gonna do is take my fingers and just detangle it with my hands and kind of perfect the style. Okay, you guys, so we are done curling and styling. This is cute. This hair is definitely something I would do for like a fun party or some type of like fun event to attend. It's super cute, and you guys, it's super fun. And the wig is very soft. The hair curls easily, and it also holds a decent curl. And I think they did really good with the color. It's super pretty and flattering. And you can also, if you want to, go in and you can rent the blonde streaks to any color you want. Like if you wanted a blue streak or a pink streak or a green streak, whatever you want. I really think this wig allows you to have options. I just love, love, love this unit. And you will be seeing more color from me coming up for this spring and summer season. I haven't done a lot of color lately, so I definitely been wanting to get back into some colorful looks for you guys. What I really like about this wig is the cut of it, because it's like a really cute, like long bob cut, and it's super pretty, you guys, like super pretty. If you guys are interested in this unit from WestKiss, I will have all the details linked below, so make sure you guys definitely go there for all the details. Everything I used from today's video will be linked below. And thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. Make sure you click that bell icon right there or right there, wherever it is. Make sure you click it so you're notified every time I post a video, and I will see y'all in the next one.